I've got my Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. We can clip it on nice and easy, and boom, it starts charging the phone up. No surprise right there. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is OtterBox's Commuter series with MagSafe case for none other than my beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. Now, before I start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox, though, for actually sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, let's start getting this guy open. Here we go. So folks, taking a look at this box right here, as you can see, we have a big cutout where we can actually see and touch the case itself. Over here on the top, it says the name of the case. It says it's 3 times tested by military standard, dual layer defense, and port covers to block dust and dirt. Over here on the back, it says similar things. Also talks about the MagSafe, pocket-friendly design, secured grip, and it's made with more than 35% recycled plastic. But anyway, let's just get this case out of the box. And now before we put my iPhone into this case, I do want to point out that 2-piece design. As you can see, it actually comes apart into 2 pieces, but let's put it back together again and pop my iPhone in. So we can go ahead and put it in on the bottom right here, and then also pop it in the top up here, and then voila, it is on my iPhone. And let's take a bit of a walk around tour of this case. Over here on the back, it's got the OtterBox logo, as well as some grippy areas right here that are very textured with some ridges. And also we've got a big ol' lip around the rear camera array, so that is good right there. Also a raised lip around the front of the screen as well. So in theory, if you put it down on a flat surface, the screen should not touch that surface. Over here on this side, we've got the action button right here. Mine is set to open up my camera. And then we've also got volume buttons right here. Cutouts over here on the bottom for the 2 speaker grills, as well as a flap actually protecting the brand new USB-C port. And last but not least, over here on this side, we have the side button as well, and more grippiness, grippy texture ridges right here on this side around the side button, and we also have them around the buttons over here as well. Also kind of interesting in this case's design is the 2-tone color combination, because part of it is this lighter shade of, I don't even know what you'd call this color, maybe greenish blue or teal or something like that. And then we've got this darker, maybe like forest green color over here and on the top. And on the flap, etc. So that's kind of interesting, that 2-tone right there. But now let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe on this case. I've got my Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. We can clip it on nice and easy, and boom, it starts charging the phone up. No surprise right there, because once again, this is a MagSafe case, but we can also test it out with my Apple MagSafe charging puck, and boom, that clips on as well. And exactly the same, it starts charging. But now let's talk a bit about some first impressions I have of this case right here. In the hand, it feels slim but substantial, so a mix of both of those right there, thanks to that 2-piece design. So it does feel like it adds some protection, but not huge bulkiness, which is nice. And I will also say I do like all the grippiness on this case, because a lot of phone cases these days do feel quite slippery. So that is cool, those ridged areas all over this case. And I mean, with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this OtterBox Commuter series case right here. If you want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $45, so pretty standard, and actually a bit below standard for case prices right there. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 15 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 15 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. And spoiler alert, it's a lot of cases. I'll have a link to that playlist down in the description of this video if you want to check that out. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.